Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add logo to Zoho Books profile. So all you have to do is head over to Zoho Books and from here, just make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, just head over and click on settings. Then under the organization section, just click on profile. So to add in a logo, just click on upload your organization logo. And a note here says that preferred image dimensions are 240 by 240 pixels at 72 dpi. And the supported files are JPG, JPEG, PNG, GIF, and BMP. And the maximum file size for your logo should only be 1 MB. So once you're ready to upload your logo, just click on upload. Just select your photo or file, then open it. So as you can see, our logo is now uploaded. Then all you have to do now is save these changes. Just click on the save button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!